Today on Dave's Post-Apocalyptic World, we're checking in after being locked up in quarantine for a whole month in this abandoned schoolhouse building. And we have a special treat for us today. Stick around. Welcome back to Dave's Post-Apocalyptic World. So we're going to start today, as we usually do, with our oatmeal. So we started out with 1.75 cups of water. And now we're adding 1 cup of oats. So this is from our survival video that says we can live and eat perfectly well with 1 cup of oats, 1.7 cups of rice, and 0.9 cups of beans. So what's special about today is that we're gonna have our oats, but instead of having just rice and beans for the rest of the day, I saved something special just for our 1 month anniversary. Come on. We have this. Boy, oh boy, I haven't had sausage and beef and sliced pepperoni, bolognese sauce, ricotta, and mozzarella cheeses in like over a month. And this is gonna be awesome. Plus, we're gonna cook it in our solar oven right here. And because it's a little bit overcast, normally it would be 2 hours at 375 degrees. So I don't know how much heat we're gonna get today, so we're gonna get started as early as we can. Tent aluminum lid over product tray and place product tray on baking sheet. Tent. They want us to make a tent. I didn't know we were going camping. Boy, oh boy, this is what it looks like frozen. So hopefully in 3 or 4 hours, there's gonna be enough heat from the sun to make this safely edible. So we've got the lasagna in the oven. It's about noon, and I'll be checking up on it like every hour or so to see if the temperature is meeting our expectations. If not, I'm just gonna plug it into the socket because this is the apocalypse, and sometimes we have to improvise. No, kitty, we have backup food, so you're not on the menu yet. But for now, I haven't had a haircut in like forever, so we're gonna go check out the new bathroom and see what we can do about that. Okay, we're back. That went pretty well. Let's check in on our lasagna. Okay, so this is hot. I'm gonna save this for later. Wow, I can't wait to eat this. So the first thing is we want to make sure that it is 165 degrees internally with our thermometer here. And wow, 200 200. So it's plenty hot. Wow, that is truly awesome. So because of the pandemic, I've avoided any grocery stores or any public places, including gas stations. So I've got the plug-in hybrid vehicle, which allows me to charge at home. So it allows me to have a 24-mile radius. Well, actually more like a 12-mile radius because I have to come back. And the idea is that I wouldn't want to have to stop and get gas. Even if that was safe and you can just get gas at the pump, there's a tiny chance that when you put your card in, it doesn't accept it and it says to go see the cashier. And that's something I'm just not ready for yet. So let's recap some of the things we've done this month. I learned yesterday that we're probably going to be locked up for another month. I kind of regrouped and looked at my inventory, and there are some things that I didn't think of, like I have 0 cheese, and I love cheese. I can put it all over everything. Also, I wish I would have bought more soups. So I went online to look at the Walmart pickup thing where you could order and maybe schedule a time to have it put into your car, and there were no openings. So I figured families with children have a better use for that than I do. So I went to Amazon, and they do have a very limited amount of supplies that you can purchase, and it's usually an elevated price. For example, I bought a hunk of cheese for like 35 bucks, and that was the cheapest. And also a bunch of soups, gourmet soups, stuff that I would never normally buy. And I don't know if I'll ever see an egg again or eat one, but there's a lot of things that I will never look at the same way again after this experience. So all in all, this was a pretty good day. I got a free haircut. Feel free to comment or make fun of it in the comments below. Also coming soon, so we've had our lettuce seeds germinating for about 4 weeks now, and they're not as big as I thought they would have been for around this time, but I will be transplanting those soon so they can start growing hydroponically up on the roof. Hello, little lettuce. So that's about it for me today. Thank you for joining me on this 1 month of being locked down in quarantine. And I could eat this all day, but I'm not going to. And I will see you next time on Dave's Post-Apocalyptic World.